The next major aspect of the truck that we need to go over is the base plate. The base plate is one essential piece composed entirely of aluminum. It houses a pivot cup, it houses the kingpin which goes through, and then it has multiple holes that allow you to mount it onto a board. So let's go through each part individually. Alright, first thing we're going to go over on the base plate is the pivot cavity and the pivot cup. Here's a pivot cup removed. As you can see, there's already one in there. The purpose of this is so the pivot on the hanger itself can go in there and it's fully supported and it allows a smooth surface for it to turn. Next thing we need to talk about is the slope. The slope provides the base angle for the degree of the truck before accounting for rake, which we'll go over in another video. It also provides housing for the bottom part of the kingpin. It's just an essential piece of hardware that will actually hold the hanger onto the truck, or onto the base plate. Another thing that's nice about the Atlas base plate is it's wide enough that it can support your board side or closest to your board bushing. The final thing we're going to talk about on the base plate is mounting holes. Generally, most trucks come with 4 to 6 holes, which allows you to run a new school or old school wheelbase option. Ours provides one extra, so you're allowed to move it up or down if you want a little bit longer or a little bit shorter wheelbase. When mounting to a deck, be sure to use 4 nuts and bolts per truck. That wraps up everything for the base plate and the hanger. Now we're going to go ahead and get into some of the smaller parts of the truck.